I just wanna. I just wanna stop a great big place. I just wanna. I just wanna stop a great big place down in your heart.
Okay, I just got home from class. I went to a grocery store near me, and I usually get this ramen, and they didn't have it this time, but I was like, I walked all the way here, so let me try it once. So I'm gonna do a haul. Ramen haul. So I got this one, classic. And then I got it in the light version, which I've never had. And then I got this one.
I just wanna.
So I'm getting ready to go to brunch with my friend. We're going to this Japanese restaurant. And they have this like souffle pancake that I've been wanting to try. So that's what we're doing. This is the outfit. It's just like comfy. Just wearing a t-shirt and this sweater that I thrifted. And then just my little track pants and sneakers. It's kind of cold, so I think I'm just gonna wear my puffer. And then just take it off when I'm there. I need like a tripod because every time this is so annoying. And then I think, ignore the background. And I'm just gonna wear these because I'm gonna walk there. Basically, my AirPods were dead, so
I just wanna stop a great